Hey people, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss balloon problem which was asked in one of the TCS NQT coding question on 21st March 2026 in second shift. Okay. So I have already discussed the first shift coding question here, one of the first shift coding question. So I will be providing the link here. You click on it and watch. You can watch that question. So the question is a balloon can hold up to y kilograms of your weight of a weight. Okay, y kilograms means it's a capacity of a balloon. Okay, each person has a certain weight. The task is to determine how many people can fly in the balloon without exceeding its capacity. Okay, the goal is to maximize the number of people inside the balloon. Okay, so then we will understand this question via a test case. Okay, 5 means number of persons, like these are the weights of that particular 5 persons, and the capacity of the balloon is 50. So we will solve this question. See, what's the main capacity of the balloon is 50, right? So if I just put 50 this person in the balloon, only one person is the maximum number of person that can be sit in that particular balloon so that he can fly, right? So we should not go in this way. If I go one by one, if we uh, so if I solve in this way, only one person can go. So you think it of. See, if I sort this array, so I will get 10, 20, 30, and 50. Yeah, and 60, right? So the maximum capacity of the balloon is 50, right? So if I count, see, if I count how many person can sit in that particular balloon, see, it will be increased. Before, if I solve for this array, it was only one, right? So if I solve for this array, right? So after sorting, I got this array, right? So if I solve for that array, see, this person can go and sit in the balloon, right? 10 will be the maximum. Okay, sorry, 1 will be the maximum weight, maximum person, and 20 can also be go and sit, because 10 plus 10, 10 plus 20, if I plus, it's equivalent to 30, right? So 30 is like lesser than or equal to 50, right? So he can all this person can also go and sit in that particular one. If I add one more, if I add one more person like 30 here, in this case 30, right? So if I add this person, the capacity will rise. It will go beyond the 50, right? It will go beyond the 50, right? So I cannot put this percent in that particular balloon, so I can only go with 2%. So this was the outdoor, see, so this will be the output, like 2% can easily travel in that particular balloon. So I hope you understood this question. So we will solve by in the coding, in the programming way, how can solve. So before moving to solving the in coding part, so before that, please subscribe to our channel Gen Tech for latest hiring updates and this kind of coding questions. So moving to the coding part, so this is the code. So here I have taken the scanner class, and I have taken n value and number of weights, uh, and also I'm sorry, I haven't taken the number of weights, right? So I will take the number of weights for int I is equals to 0, I is less than n, I is incremented. Okay, so weights of I is c dot next end, right? Okay, I have taken the input from the user, all the weights and also the capacity also. So why I have sorted here means, because sorting sort weights to try lighter person first, right? If I try with the lighter persons first, I will get the maximum capacity, right? If I put like heavier persons first in the balloon, then the maximum person that we can fill in the balloon will be decreased automatically, right? So that's why we have sorted here. So after that, we have taken two variables, one is a count, another one is a weight. So here I have run a for each loop like on the weights. Okay, and if, see, I have taken given the one condition, what means total weight, what is the total weight in the starting, it's a 0, right? So we will solve by taking the test cases. Okay, 0, right? So after sorting, what will be the first value? We will get 10, right? So it will be equivalent to 20. Okay, right? So 20. So total weight will also be incremented, and also, so now the total weight will be 20, right? Here 20. Okay, so the 20 is lesser than or equal to 50. We will check once. Yes, Okay, based on our test cases I'm running this loop. Okay, so for that it will be like okay with the condition, again it will go inside. And so now the total value, how much is the total value? Total value is now 20, right? Sorry, it's 10, right? I'm sorry, my bad. Sorry for the inconvenience. 20, 10, 10 is the 10 is like less than or equal to 50. So we will add it in the total weight. Okay, after that we will increment the count also. Okay, so it is equivalent to 1. So after that, again in the next loop, what will be the weight value? It is 20, right? So in the next iteration I will write over here. So what is the like weight value here? So what's the weight, total weight? Total weight person plus weight. What is the weight? It's 20 in the test next iteration. Okay. So it will be equivalent to 30, which is equal lesser than or equal to 50, right? So again the condition gets true. Again it will enter into this thing, and again the 10 will be like raised back to 30. So, right, it will be incremented to 30, right, by adding. So after that 30 and the count will be incremented to 2. Right, now the 2 and 30 is there. And in the third iteration, what will happen is now our value is like 30, right? So what's the total weight? Total weight is like 30, right? 30 plus again 30. So 30, right? So is this lesser than or equal to 50? Is this lesser than or equal to 50? What's the 30 plus 30? Sorry, I didn't write that. My bad. So 30 plus 30 is 60. 60 is a no. Okay. So it is not equivalent, so not less than or equal to 50. So it will go to else block, and the break, it will get break it will break this for loop. Then what will be, we will get the count value. We got the count value as a 2, right? Am I correct? So that's it. I hope you understood this question, right? So this was the question which was asked in 21st March. So I hope you understood this question. I will be providing the first shift on the same day. Okay, now 21st March, first shift coding question in this card. Okay, please check out that card, click that, and you will be opening the new that video. You can watch that video also. So that's it in this video. I hope you understood. Please share it with your friends and comment down if you have any doubt, and please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Please share it with your friends who are like preparing for NQT, TCS NQT. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.